Coming back to the campaign making, we come here and we give a bid value, suppose of 50, because this is what we have seen, or rather 60 from that particular keyword sheet. From here, 30-40% over this particular keyword, which is the most important one for me, and then I click next. Once this is done, then I just select my Google search network. I don't have to select the display network because this will going to put my text ad on the different websites and apps. Display network are good when we are running the banner ad, because we are just running the search ad. So we're just going to keep it around the Google search result and Google sites like Google News, Google Maps, Google Shop, Google YouTube. So all the text ad, wherever the placements can be given, so it will going to take directly. We don't put on our search partners too, because that is again going to lose the visibility. Search partners are like ask.com, AOL, NewYorkTimes.com. Okay, so again, it is my strategy that I don't want to increase the visibility outside Google. I'm very happy in showing my most of the impressions around Google only. Okay, or either on a Google widgets like these, wherever the text ad has a possibility. Just like you might be wondering how come I said YouTube. So if I just go here and if I just type again this, so probably you would see text ads on the top. Okay, nowadays there are a lot of text ads been running. So this is a text ad. Okay, this is not a video ad, this is not a banner ad. This is the banner ad, this is the text ad. Okay, so this is coming from here only, Google sites. Okay, then comes your location. You can run the ad on different locations by sitting anywhere. Suppose I want to run ad for the worldwide, then I'll select all countries and territories. If I want to select particular country like India, or I want to select multiple countries like suppose United States, or I want to select Canada, or I want to select India too, so I can do this way. Okay, then if I want to exclude any of these states, probably suppose I want to exclude Texas from here, so I'll click Texas and I'll click exclude. I want to exclude probably Mumbai, so Mumbai as a city can be excluded, and probably I want to exclude Ontario from Canada because of XYZ reasons. Just to explain the settings, I'm doing this. So this is also done. Okay, then we also can use advanced search, where a beautiful setting of radius can be worked. And the second advantage of advanced search tab is that you're able to see the map. So whatever you have selected, like we have selected Canada and US, and whatever you have deselected or excluded will come in red. Blue part included, red part excluded. The same way you would see in India as well. Blue part included, and this small dot Mumbai excluded. Okay, plus we can do the radius targeting here. Suppose I sell something within the radius of 1 or 2 kilometers or 1 or 2 miles, so I have to just select that part. Suppose if I just deselect India right now and deselect the Mumbai exclusion as well, and consider that I have a restaurant or a cake shop in Delhi, and probably I will also add this keyword into my keywords so that matches the term if anybody searches this. I have to be seeing the character limits. That's why you have to be always checking and changing things accordingly. Okay, then digital marketing Google. Then simply learn digital marketing, online course, probably if we can get that space. Okay, then going down, and we can always see where we are lacking right now. So we have not very good headlines been added, including popular keywords been there. Description works well. So let's see what they give us as the idea like. So they say we are not given any online availability, brand, call to actions. Okay, I'm just going to play with some of the terms now. So let's just see. CTA, using the CTA now. You can see the strength has improved. Learn. I don't know, it is actually pausing my recording again and again, and that could be a disturbance for you guys. So I'm just taking some time so that this comes back to normal. Yes. Okay, so this is how you can add up to headlines, 10 headlines, and that would improve your ad strength. And last not least, you can add the descriptions which are very relevant to the ad copy. Okay, try to get some headlines or descriptions here from the landing page. Okay, once this is done, you can just click done here, and your ad copy is prepared. You can see here very much, and click next. And then you can set up your budget. So the budget which we were talking earlier in the Excel, if I have to show you, so you got 100 clicks, you have paid 1 rupee for every click, so you have given 100 rupees per day. So this is your daily budget which you have spent. Okay, so you can always decide your daily budget by setting or customizing it. You can put anything, though it is showing dollars, but this is INR. You can see here, this is kind of a bug which we are seeing since almost a month now. So your average daily cost, which they say like a weekly cost rather, after 41 multiplying by 33 for average CPC price would come to 1382. But we are giving a daily price, so we can always divide this by 7 or by 10 probably. So I'm just giving a rough number 100. Okay, or 1000 could have been 500 also could have been given. Okay, so every day I would spend 500, and accordingly my clicks would come. And then you click next, and your ad goes to review. Like they would going to be checking your landing page, they would be checking your what else, the ad copy, everything can be checked and would take some time. I think I just need to change that. Let me just keep it 5 AM. So this is simpler. And then just click next and publish the campaign from here. Publish. So once this is done, then your ad, which can be checked from here, would go into a review part, and it would say under review. Once this is approved, then your ad starts showing and you start seeing the results like impression, clicks, and CTR, average CPC, whatever we have talked about. Okay, so this is all about the ad making. Now we can see some of the important things here, like metrics we have discussed. All these we have discussed: CPC, conversions, cost per conversions, CTR. The only thing which we have not discussed is the quality score. So quality score is completely the part at the back end which works like to improve our ranking. So quality score is something which has been given out of 10, and when we see an ad which is already been created, like suppose for this campaign, if I'll take you, so if I just go to the keywords, so every keyword been given quality score out of 10. Okay, so if any of the keyword has got 10 out of 10, it means there are 3 important elements, like their CTR, like how many clicks have come, their landing page, and their ad copy is relevant or not. Okay, they see three elements: how relevant the landing page is, how relevant is the ad copy is, and certainly they see how relevant been the ad copy with the search. Then only your CTR increases. Somebody searches something and the ad shows, and if the clicks are high, then only CTR goes high. So that's why the CTR, the landing page, and the ad relevance has to be above average. That's how they define. They don't give marks here, they give total marks out of 10 here, the quality score. So above average is going to be the highest, average is going to be the middle one, and the below average is going to be the lowest one. Okay, so if you have any issues in any of these elements, then your overall quality score impacts. Okay, this is all the quality score. So high quality score means you end up in paying less and you get a better value for your money. Okay, that's I think the last part of it. So Google ad ratings of quality of your ads, keyword, and landing pages. I think this is what been given here as well. Then you check, I have already shown you, you check the keyword, you check the timing, which were the best timing you have shown the ad, which were the best locations your ad has actually got the result from, and then accordingly your ad can be optimized and can be changed. You change your budget, you change your bid price, you change your location, you change your timing, you change your headline. It all depends after your ad actually been shown, and then you research or you do the analysis, like we are seeing which keyword is working better, which keyword is having the best of the cost, which keyword is giving you the good impression to interaction rate like a CTR. Then we check the ad copy, how the ad is working. Suppose if I have multiple ads to just compare if this ad works better or this ad works better or this ad works better, so I would just going to be comparing these three ads, which one has given me the better of the clicks as compared to the other one, which has given me the better CTR, whose CPC was lesser, whose CPC was higher. That is how I will be checking it. Okay, I can always have number of ads created under the campaign, just like Abhi right now we have created one campaign, one ad. We can always test with the another ad copy by clicking this, so that we can see which ads performs better. Okay, that's why in this existing account you can see multiple ads. So because we were testing which one works better, so this is how you can also make one other ad copy, and you can just click done, and that would be added to the list of ads. Okay, you can see now one more ad actually been added. So out of these two, which one works better would be only diagnosed or checked if the ad starts running. Okay, you can always add your account, the money, the billing part into the student settings, billing summary, and from here you just need to add your mode of payment. Okay, you have to select your country, you have to select the currency you are paying in, and then of course you would have options to pay like debit, money transfer, net banking, and India Paytm wallet is also available, very much available. Okay,
Hey guys, welcome.